Hello, today is day 22, September 23. Our 30-day quiz challenge is going on with various subjects of like 10 MCQs every day. And we'll continue from yesterday's environment where we did a lot of definitions. Today we'll see a little bit protected areas and then some summits. Okay, so 10 questions. This is part of pack 5. So if you feel you are weak in static part of geography, environment or science, you can come and enroll to this. And any other subject also, if you want, you can come and get it. We don't recommend the pack 1 now because you cannot complete this test series in 2 weeks. Okay, but subject wise you can complete, so decide which you want and you can get back to us. And the video was uploaded yesterday and students have been appreciating that. 15 pointers. This will be valid for every student, not only 2020. We are telling you like how to approach this exam, what to do if you pass, what to do if you fail, cut off, what to expect. So it's a general 15 pointers which will be valid and which will be connectable to all the serious UPSC aspirants. Okay, so watch this video. You will get some good insights and good confidence maybe. Okay, we are trying to motivate you through this video, so please watch this. Then prelims plus mains test series batch 3, where there is no evaluation. It is a test PDF concept because batch 1 and batch 2 is already full and that had all the things which was needed for a full-time aspirant. Now you can get to this package. You can WhatsApp us. We'll give you more details. And this is the score, how it will be. Okay, based on how much mark you get. Please comment that. Pink pages in a UCN red data book is for what? Extinct animals, near threatened animals, least concerned animals, or critically endangered animals. So it is critically endangered animals. In IUCN, you know, these are the different classifications which are there: extinct and extinct in the wild. Then threatened categories are these three: critically endangered, endangered, and vulnerable. Then near threatened and least concern. Then there is one thing called data deficient, and then there is not evaluated. Okay, so you don't have to worry like what animals are there in every list and all. But when something is in news and if it is especially critically endangered, then you have to know. And also very important animals of India like tiger, lion, rhino. Okay, which is protected. Which will mostly come in endangered category. So those kind of things you have to know. Okay. Other than that, you cannot by heart all the animals, but still, if it is a news item, please study. Known for its large tiger population, lies between rivers Banas and Chambal. Identify the national park. This is a previous year UPSC question. So Manas, Kyoladio, Ranthambore, or Dhauladhar. Okay, so previously UPSC have asked match the following question where left side protected area was there and right side two rivers name were there, and that time this question had come. Okay, so it is Ranthambore National Park and it is there multiple times in news because of like too much tigers and we cannot the burden could not be handled, and then one more protected area is created and some tigers are shifted. Okay, so that also question I've already shown you, I think. So please study more about this and the locations of all these 4 national parks because question can come. Action for Climate Empowerment (ACE) is a term adopted in 2015 by WMO, UNFCCC, GCC countries, or ASEAN. So it is UNFCCC because it's 2015, 5 year since this happened. So that is why UPSC picks up certain things when it completes 5 years or 10 years. So we have to know this is adopted by UNFCCC, and the priority areas are education, training, public awareness, public participation, public access to information, international cooperation. So all the basic things, okay, like see scientific, technical, managerial, public awareness, then countries will promote and come together, strengthen institutions, all the thing which is there to fight climate change or climate problems, that is all there. Okay, so it is adopted by UNFCCC in under some article 6. Okay, which of the following is not a criterion for deciding the hottest hotspots? Okay, so there are many criteria out of which one of them is not correct. Okay, endemic plants, endemic vertebrates, amount of rainfall, remaining primary vegetation, which is not a criteria. So amount of rainfall is not there. Biodiversity hotspots or hottest hotspots are the richest and most threatened reservoirs of plant and animal life. They have maximum number of endemic species. Some hotspots are much richer than others in terms of number of endemic plants, vertebrates, remaining primary vegetation, etc. are called hottest hotspots. Okay, so these are the three main criteria. Amount of rainfall, we just put it just like that. Okay, so just by heart these three. If it comes, you can mark this. Mangroves for Future is a regional initiative being coordinated by which bodies? Okay, obviously all five are not there if you see the options. So try to find out which two or which three. So there is 1 and 3, that is UNDP and IUCN, and this is taken from their website only. Works happening in Asia. Okay, these are the member countries: Bangladesh, Cambodia, India, Indonesia, Maldives. So you can cross check whether all SARC countries are there or this BIMSTEC countries are there. It won't be there, but still you can cross check like that, because that is how UPSC will frame questions. And there are more like dialogue countries are there from Africa, established in 2006. Okay, in third phase. Okay, so it's not very recent one, but UPSC can pick up anything. So it is co-chaired by IUCN and UNDP. Okay, platform for collaboration among the many different agencies for the coastal ecosystem. Which of the following are true? Fruit product order mark is issued by Ministry of Food Processing. Eco mark and ISI mark are issued by Bureau of Indian Standards. Ag mark is issued by Ministry of Environment. So it's all four types of labels and three parent organization. Okay, answer is this one. Ag mark is actually Ministry of Agriculture. So if you see, the other things are all correctly matched. Okay, and if a question comes, you should do, and two lines about everything is given here. More details you can study, but UPSC sticks to parent bodies mostly. So this will be what is a potential thing which can come in exam. Okay. Helsinki Conference 1989 was related to what? Okay. So this completed around 30 years recently. So what was it related to? Tobacco control, protect ozone layer, control road accidents, explore marine resources. So it's protect ozone layer. You know the Montreal Protocol, which is one of the most successful treaties, universal treaties, because the ozone hole was getting recovered also after this. So the first meeting which happened after this, after this was established, the first meeting happened in Helsinki, and that is why this conference is important. Even though many conferences happened after that, the first meeting of this is important because of the 30-year completion, and that's what you have to know. Okay, it's about ozone. So Montreal Protocol, already question have come. Later amendment happened, and that also you have to study. Okay, 2016, if you see here, 2016 Kigali adopted but not in force. So Kigali amendment, if they ask what is it related to, it is again Montreal Protocol. Okay, so Kyoto Protocol is there, and many other things are there which in my revision charts and test series is covered. And if you see here again, first universally ratified treaties in United Nations history. Okay, that is very successful also, because everybody took it seriously and everybody took measures across the world. That is why it is important. Grey water footprint, seen recently in news, refers to what? Okay, you know there is grey water, blue water, green water. There are some environment terms. So read the options yourself and try to answer. Okay, so here if you see, green water is rainwater used, then this is irrigation water used, and this is the water used to dilute pollution. Okay, so amount of fresh water required to dilute the pollutants, that is called grey water footprint. So it's there in the news item also, and that is why you have to know. Okay, see, world's freshwater bodies choked with phosphorus. So it was some news item related to that. So those who have my PDF can even click on the news item and read it also. Okay, maybe it's a little older current affair, but it is important to know this concept. Okay. Biocarbon Fund initiative for sustainable forest landscape is managed by whom? Red Plus, UNEP, World Economic Forum, World Bank. This again a detailed revision chart is already given to you with all the fund which is in news listed together. So answer here is World Bank. It is a multilateral fund supported by donor government and managed by the World Bank. Oceans Melting Greenland OMG was seen in the news recently is a campaign by Arctic Council, Nordic Council, NASA and Google. So it is NASA again. It's not a very recent one, but because it's the naming is like UPSC type. UPSC usually picks up anything like this. That's why you already asked ACE in this session, and then now this OMG. So Greenland's related. This was in news because of the climate change and ocean melting, ice melting, and all. So this is the only thing you need to know. Please don't do much detailed things about this. And what is Arctic Council? What is Nordic Council? What are the members of each one? Are there common members in this? Such kind of things you have to know because it is very important. So these were the 10 questions for today. Hopefully it was a very easy session for serious aspirants. We'll come up with the next session tomorrow. And if any test you need, please come and WhatsApp me because you have 2 weeks in which you can do a lot of revision. So thank you and have a nice day.